Don't be afraid. Oh,
I told her.
So, first day back to reality, as Big
I
Mike
can see
says.
myself in the mirror.
Nice. Big Mike sent me a snap and he said, back to reality, with a picture of the truck and trailer. I said, yeah, I'm very unmotivated this morning. Josh called me and woke me up at like 7:20. I was sleeping so good, I didn't feel like doing nothing. Then we had to go to the shop and we had to put the bagging system on the V-Ride 2. And I put the mount on the right for the 6.2 jumbo accelerator because it came with the regular grass gobbler, the steel grass bagger, and y'all know how I feel about those. I don't like them at all. One, they don't hold very much, and two, they're just heavy as all get out. So drilled holes in the deck and put the mounts on for the 6.2 jumbo accelerator. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. So our plan right now is to get the property that's got a lot of leaves. If we can't windstorm or blow them out of the way, which most of them we can, I'll just run over and mulch it up. Billy will follow behind with the V-Ride 2, bagging up the residual. We'll do it that way. The plan is to still use the walker. We haven't switched the deck over on that yet. Use the walker when we need to. So yeah, Will already sent me a snap of his truck and trailer this morning, and he said I do not feel like going back to work today. Nope, none of us do, I don't think. Skylar's back to work today. I sell propane and propane accessories. Skylar works for a propane company in like Pank Hill. Oh man, I sell propane and propane accessories. That's so funny. Oh, I'm not motivated, but we're kind of hopping and skipping around. I still haven't even gotten out all of my plow stuff yet to customers. I have customers calling me like crazy about snow plowing. Usually I have all that out by now. I definitely need to get on that, like today. So we're gonna drive around some of the properties we've already skipped. What do you do? I'm gonna stab you in the face with a soldering iron. But we're gonna hop around today. We've already skipped like 4 of them. They're just really short and they don't even have any leaves on them. So it's that time of year, hopping around and taking care of what has leaves. So we'll film what we can, and we won't film what we can. That's all I got. That's it. There's no more. There's no more. All right, Billy. That's so.
Bet you got that.
So. Oh yeah, we got it. It's on camera.
Pops.
It's a family channel, Billy.
You said.
We're trying to get back to the family
You
channel.
said in Kentucky that it was not a family channel.
We're trying to get back to the family channel thing.
Damn, Grandpa Richie rubbing off on me now.
Grandpa Richie says that we should just keep doing what we're doing. And a bunch of other people say we should just keep doing what we're doing. But some people are saying we should go back to a family channel type setting.
That's a
This
bee.
fucking bee won't get off of me.
He gonna sting your ass.
He ain't stinging nothing. So, Billy. This camera's screwed up. I'm trying to set this camera up so I don't have to hold it for 5 minutes. That might work. I think it's cutting your head off. Alright, so we're here at the apartments. What are you doing? You're an idiot.
Hey, my power sheet's not working.
Because it ain't on there. I took it off. Not even a full day. You're already breaking the bagging system on the SCAG. That pin is screwed up. It falls out all the time. So we're at the apartments and there's a ton of leaves here in a bunch of different spots, but it doesn't look actually that bad compared to how it was last week when we came through here. But there's definitely a bunch of leaves. So everything's so short here. We cut it really short last time. We really don't have to even cut anything here. We just got to take care of some leaves. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you laughing behind me?
I'm not laughing. I was just talking about.
Should have left them in Kentucky. But yeah, so we got to take care of some leaves here. So Billy, I'm gonna give. Do you understand the instructions as I'm about to give them to you, son?
No, sir.
That is the wrong answer.
Sir, no, sir.
You're making the camera bounce all over the place. That is the wrong answer. All right, so you're gonna get on the backpack blower and you're gonna go around to this front area here in this cubby of this building. You're gonna blow anything that's in there out over to here so I can grab it with the windstorm and bring it the rest of the way in front of the building and then start taking it all that way. Okay? And then you're gonna go behind this building here. Any leaves that are behind there, if there even is any, you're gonna blow them out so that I can take them the rest of the way with the windstorm to the woods that way. Alright, and then you're going to go down to that set of buildings down there and you're going to blow out in front of all the buildings, all them grass areas in front of the building, blow it out into the main part, because then I'll take the windstorm in the main part and blow it all to the woods that are over here. Alright, and then after that, if those front sections, what are you doing? Oh man, I wish your mother watched our videos so then she could see what she left me with to deal with on a daily. She didn't leave me with nothing, but
You chose this life.
I did choose this life. I did choose it. You know what this mud works really good on? You're nuts!
Hey, listen, I'm done with going in mud and what I
Yeah,
thought was
so
mud.
yesterday, me and Noah decide to hop on dirt bikes when we take off riding, right? Billy jumps on Noah's little 70cc four-wheeler. And we go out, we're flying down the side of this cornfield. And me and Noah are just popping wheelies and frickin' just riding wheelies
I was too.
down things, right? And so Billy comes riding by us on the four-wheeler like this. This little 70cc Billy's hanging off it, riding his four-wheeler, riding these wheelies, dropping them down. So he's like, there's a big mud hole right back over there by the edge of the cornfield. He goes, I'm gonna blast right through it. And I'm like, all right. So me and Noah had turned around, we went up and we got up to it first, and I was looking at it and I'm sitting there thinking, I'm like, edge of a cornfield, they already took the corn down, they're getting ready to turn the field. I'm like, what are the odds that that ain't mud? And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna let Billy have this one. So Noah was sitting right next to the field
right next to the mud hole. I'm like, no, why don't you just move back a little bit? And he's like, why? And I'm like, your brother's gonna come behind right through there. He goes, yeah, you don't want me to get wet? And I go, yeah, something like that. And so I'm like, just get back, get away from the. So Noah fires up his dirt bike and he goes around the pole or around the puddle, and he comes back and sits next to me. Now, when I say puddle, I mean this sucker is like 1.5 feet deep, and it's probably 10 foot wide by 8 foot long, right? So we get back and we see old Billy here just wah 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 wah, just flying down this freaking trail. He hits this sucker, water goes everywhere. Billy launches over this hill, four-wheeler comes up in the air, comes down, lands, bounces side to side, he saves it, slides it sideways, comes back up, puts his feet down, he's like, that was liquid manure. The farmers had the tractor out there spraying liquid manure everywhere, and they dumped off the tank right there at the edge of the field. And that hole that looked like a mud hole of water, no, it was liquid shit. Billy bahed right through it. He was soaked in liquid cow manure. That was awesome. All right, we gotta go do leaves. You guys want to see these? Come on, you come with us.